All right.
Okay, let's start. First 5 minutes. Okay, first jump ball, nakuha ni John Ruiquina or Jerome Ruiquina for 3. Yes, first 3. Okay, Vince pass to Mark, back to Vince. Right, nakita si Asher sa ilalim. There's a foul. Stop the clock. 2. Pushing foul.
I didn't change.
5 minutes change.
Change
players.
For layers.
Three
Yeah,
quarters.
like 10 minutes per quarter.
So every quarter 5 minutes. Just the rule.
So everyone.
To give up your time.
Okay, Brian. Nakuha. Ang bola. Back to Brian. Sa ilalim. 2 points, wala. Rebound by Asher. Here comes Mark Mabini. Pass to Vince. Alright, rebound to Jerome. Okay, grabe ang takbuhan. Mga fresh legs. Ryan sa ilalim. 3 points. Okay, 10-second shot clock. Ryan at the drive. And there's a foul. Who's ball rep? 91.
I'm doing the half court shots. I was looking like a fool. Doing the recording, right? I thought they were recording.
Same one.
Okay, last straw.
Gusto mo mag-announce?
Ayoko.
Ikaw.
Hindi ko kilala yung mga pangalan.
Okay, rebound by Asher.
Cameraman na, ano pa?
Here comes Mark Mabini for 2. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Okay. Line violation. Castillo. To Asher. 10-second shot clock. Okay, score natin. 6-0. Chan sa 3. Wow! 3 points. Okay, 9-0. Sorisa, nagkadala ng bola. Second shot clock. Asher for 2. Wala, rebound by Jerome. Jerome.
And wow. Ano nga to?
Okay, 91.
Then second personal foul.
Second personal foul by Vince Solisa. Okay, last 2 minutes for this half of the first quarter.
Okay, score.
Okay, score natin 10-1.
Si Castillo.
Na-miss niya yung score.
May free throw kanina.
May free throw kanina.
Okay, steal by Jerome. All the way sa basket.
cannot speak without chair. If I'm sitting, yeah.
Okay, 1 minute and 37 seconds.
No.
5-second shot.
And
There's a foul.
Mali yung ano na ito, shot clock, naging milliseconds.
Who's ball, rep?
Number 4.
Again, rebound by Chan. Ryan, libre sa ilalim. Castillo to Sulisa. Ilalim, Raymond.
Second game, bro.
Again, 55 seconds. 18-second shot clock. Chan sa tres.
Kada...
No, not stop.
Okay, there's a foul.
Every Saturday,
Okay, continue yan.
three games lang.
29 seconds and 21 seconds sa shot clock. Mark Mapili. Ito na naman si Jerome. For two. Okay, last 15 seconds.
Jerome may bayad ka.
Okay, next 5, ready. Castillo, rebound by Dadul. 2 seconds, 1 second. Alright. Okay, next 5, pasok.
Pasok.
Okay, fresh 5, bawi. Ang Panyero Van, Rentals. Okay, bola ng white.
Apot, tablada.
Okay, fresh 5, Barrientos. Wala, naribaw ni Tandy, naagaw ni Tandy. Here comes RJ Bermejo. Pasok na kay Patrick for 3. Okay, rebound by Rob. Okay, mahigpit ang depensa ng batch na to. Jerome for 2.
Si Jerome. Okay, dali.
One second. Alright, foul.
Next time out.
Alright, coming to time out.
Kuya Tanli.
Wala kayo ng isa, so this team pipili kung sino yung maglalaro. No. The captain will choose who's going to play. Okay, all good. Okay, free throw.
Gotta make it fair, yeah? So if you're not, I'm going to choose you. All the way.
Isa.
Let's see how much air you have.
Isa. Nakashoot na isa.
Okay, Ganitano, second free throw. Good. Okay, Henry, number 11. Pass to RJ. Barrientos to Apot Tablada. Back to Barrientos. Okay, MJ sa ilalim, and there's a foul. Alright, stop the clock. Okay, warning for penalty.
The green bag, right there. You go the green bag over there. Behind the
Anong gusto
speaker.
niya?
The shopping bag. Tape lang to. Paisip pa rin. Ano yun? Nandun sa tape. Tape yan.
Okay, score natin 20-8. Bola ng Weasels. Okay, Patrick, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa sa gitna. Here comes RJ to Henry. Okay, 12-second shot clock.
Sorry.
Continue. Apat na blada for 3. Yes! 3 points! Okay, 20-11. Here comes Patrick Stanley, back to Patrick. Alright, same ball.
Shot clock na lang. 14.
Okay, Stanley, nagdadala ng bola to Patrick for 3. Long 3. Rebound by MJ. Okay, here comes Van Piñeros.
Okay na? Okay na, spring. All good.
Okay, for 2 by Christian. Ito na, Patrick. Oh, what a block by Norbert Barrientos.
Oh my days.
MJ Casimina, number 5. Pasa kay Rob.
Good.
Habol po.
Ito na, 20-15. Medyo nakakahabol na ang Pañeros.
Yung issue ng changing 5 every 5 minutes.
Zion, sa gitna. Alright, there's a foul.
Mawala.
Number 5. Okay, stop the clock.
Hey, nah, bro. You good? No challenges here, brother.
Okay, first shot, good.
I don't think we could challenge for the rest yet.
Apo Tablada to MJ. Pinakalisan to Barrientos. Sa ilalim kay Rob. Wala. Rebound by Henry. 1 minute, 20 seconds. RJ, ang lakas sa ilalim. Rob nagdadala ng bola to MJ. Back to Rob. Nabitawan. Pero nabawi niya. Christian, nag-iisa sa ilalim. Wala. Sayang.
All good.
Let's get it, next one.
I get 56 seconds. 17 seconds shot clock.
Uy, double.
RJ sa ilalim.
Kung natap yung diba nag-reset?
Ano tama?
Shot clock. Alright.
Start time.
Okay, continue tayo. 30 seconds left. And 23 seconds shot clock.
Last shots.
Oh. 15 seconds shot clock. Casimina. Oh, Pinova. Oh, 2. Okay. Last 12 seconds. 21-17. Tandy. Pinasay number 3. Umikot. Back to Patrick. RJ for 3. Oh. Okay, that's the end of our first quarter. Next 5.
Game works.
I-stop ko ba ako, Marquez?
Hindi ako. Focus mo na lang.
Okay, second game natin. Electrics versus Your Pals. Stay Trading. Okay, second quarter.
Hindi, mamaya ka na pumili pagka second. Kasi crush to eh, no? Second. All good.
All good.
So yung kalaban yung PP.
Okay, white ball.
Ayaw nila ka.
21-17.
Nakabigla.
Castillo, kumuha ng bola sa tres. Mark Mapili. Vince Solisa, talaksak. Wala, rebound by Brian. The door to Jerome. Nahabol pa yun. Okay, Jerome Requina. Step back, 3-point. Castillo. Apat na puti ang tumatakbo. Vince. Oh, binaba. Pinasa ka. Wala. Gordon. Wala ulit. Rebound pa rin. And there's a foul. Ha, sayang. Pero it's okay. Nakakuha siya ng foul. First team foul by Weasels.
Basic. Yung matangkad kasi.
Okay, first shot ni Gordon.
Huwag nyo nang pababain yung shot.
Hindi. Sabi ko nga kay mama, ano na ako na, ready na tayo na malagkit.
Okay, Brian. Ilalim, pinasa kay Patrick. Turnaround shot. Wala, na-rebound pa rin ni Patrick. 2 points. Ayan, dumidikit na ang laban. Castillo to Solisa. Mark Mapili, 4-3. Wala, rebound by Brian.
Ay! Ay!
Diretso lang.
Diretso.
25-18. Okay, 15-second shot clock. Vince, naghahanap ng papasan to Asher.
So part of the game, all part of the game.
Okay, Asher from Pañeros. Step back, side step. What a fake! Sayang!
Nice.
Okay, Asher sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. And there's a foul.
Hey!
Number 4. Okay, second personal foul.
Tama ba?
Second team foul ng Weasels.
BJBL kasi. I mean, Big Dog.
Okay, first shot, good.
Hindi niya alam yung Pilipinas.
Maganda benta ng nanay ko dun.
Dinudumog? Ano ba dinudumog?
Hindi kanina
Laing tsaka malagkit.
Ano lang tinda doon, boy?
Laing tsaka malagkit.
Siya lang ba nagtitinda doon?
Oo, inantay pa natin yung estudyante.
Bigay. Tigas.
Ah, kailangan mabilis pa ito.
Hindi ako na.
Ando na, ando na. Kailangan makuha natin yun.
Sorry guys.
Okay, Brian for 2.
So good?
Yeah.
27-21.
Oh, assist.
Sino nang-assist?
Hindi ko alam, sira na yata, Jerome.
Loro.
Okay, 11-second shot clock. Mapili, nakita si Asher.
7,
Down to 6.
5.
Brian to Jerome Rafina. Eto na. Ooh, 2 points. Pakabilis ng batang ko. Turnaround shot. Sayang. Sayang. Okay, last 2 minutes. Up, there's a foul.
Diretso lang.
Okay. Hindi, stop time. Side, continue.
Delikado yun.
10-second shot clock. Down to 7.
Good.
5, 4. Okay, fresh. 1 minute, 28 seconds. Jerome Rodina to Patrick.
Line yun eh. Hindi nakabunod yun.
Here comes 80-22, fake. Rebound pa rin. 29-23. Okay, last 1 minute sa first part ng second quarter. Apat kontra sa isa. Gordon and one. Okay, results warning for penalty. Okay, next 5 ready. Both teams, next 5. Okay, bonus free throw, good. Tatlo na lang ang lamang. 16-second shot clock. Fake by Rakina. What a layup. Napakagaling. Okay, konti lang ang lamang ng oras sa shot clock. Castillo sa 3. 10 seconds.
Hey! Good job!
Okay, last 2 seconds. 80.
No count, no count.
Alright, that's the first part ng second quarter. Next 5.
Grabe, hindi sila nagpupul.
Okay, kulang na isa yung results. Alam na kung sinong magpapatuloy.
Papasok naman talaga si Kuya Danley.
Pasok ka, pasok ka. Pasok ka doon.
Dador.
Dador.
Okay, second 5, ready. Sino yan na? Si Dador. Dador, bawal ka daw magpahinga.
Walang break. Nagtatago na eh.
Just choose a song.
Okay, galing pa ng duty si Dador. Kali, extend ka. Ito na yung shift mo. Henry for 2. Wala, rebound by Rob.
Liliga pa yan bukas.
Ito nagpasa to MJ Christian. Fake. And 2 by Pañeros.
It's all balanced out dito.
Sa inyo. Hindi sa inyo.
Malakasan na.
8 seconds shot clock. Number 3, Bin. Pass to the door. Shot clock. Good.
Good.
Barrientos all the way. Tatlo na lang. Umahabol ang Pañeros.
Game.
Bin, number 3 to RJ sa side. Oops.
Yun, no?
4 seconds, shot clock. Henry. Idol daw. Barrientos to apot, libre sa 3. AJ all the way. What a layup. Galing. 37-30. Twelve seconds. Christian. Wala, rebound ni MJ.
PlayStation.
Beat for 2.
Basta 4 points. Tandi ata.
Rob sa gitna. Okay, rebound by Christian. Fresh 14 seconds. Christian for 3. Yes, 3 points. Casimina.
Grabe. Hindi. Barangay kasi.
Henry for 2. Wala. Ay, rebound by Rob. Ito na si Rob. Nakakita sa ilalim. Pasa kay Casimina. Rebound by RJ. That's 1 minute 53 seconds. Henry. Crossover move. Pinasa kay Bean. Back to the door. Wala. Ito na ang White Panyero Van Rentals. Pasa kay Apple Tablada. Libre. Alright, there's a foul. Okay, that's the 15 fouls.
Nakakagutom magsalita.
Gusto mo pagkain?
Nakakagutom mo parang cameraman natin. Nagugutom na.
Ay, sa mga bibili ng food, meron tayong malagkit, laing, sisi. Okay, second, free throw.
May segue ng gano'n eh.
Dapat bilisan mo kasi.
Oo nga eh. Nagugutom na kasi ako eh.
Good.
Okay, second free throw. Dalawa na lang yung lamang, 39-37, 1 minute 30 seconds.
May pagkain. Ano nga isang ulo doon? Sisig at saka ano?
Stanley for 3. Wala. Rebound by White Team. Barrientos.
Kaya Mark, mamaya na daw yung pagkain.
Dapat sumali ka sa team.
Mamaya, next time.
May next time na.
Pagkaabulan mo yan, pagdadadakdakan mo yan.
Okay, the door is setting to play. Stanley. 14-second shot clock. RJ sa gitna. Rebound by White Team. Apo Tablada. Pass to MJ Galinato. Christian. Fake. Side step move.
Paganda.
Last 37 seconds and 20 seconds sa shot clock. RJ Bermeo. Wala, rebound by. And there's a foul. Penalty rep.
Ay, penalty. Penalty.
Penalty na, stop the clock, 28 seconds.
Ano nga yung ulam doon? Sisig at saka? Bopis.
May kanin.
Okay, first draw, the MJ, wala.
Isa na lang.
Maybe next year.
Okay, rebound by Paneros, 12 seconds, Rob sa gitna. Okay,
15 seconds.
15 seconds. RJ, and there's a foul. Walang tawag.
Stop.
Hindi yan yung stop time, kuya.
Alright, that's the end of our second quarter. Who's foul rep? Again, next third quarter, and again, next game, Stay Creative and Electrics. Okay, sa mga gusto na bumili ng food, meron tayong sisig, bopis, laing, at saka malagkit or biko.
Ay, harap mo daw sa mga tayo.
Wala naman yung kibis. Fire him, bro. Bayaran mo kasi. Taas mo yung biyang malagkit. Very Gino. Very Gino. You want a copy? It's like $15.
Masisira yan eh. Sarap. May try ko na mag-isa.
Dito naman.
Okay, let's ready for the third quarter. Hindi nagkakalayo. Change court na tayo. Kaya pa rin, Baranggayan for this quarter. 37-39. This time, okay, bola ng Weasels. Lamang pa sila ng dalawa. Hey, bro!
Delikado ng bata.
Uy, nawala yung ano natin. Hindi, kaya wala akong effort pa rin.
Good!
Brian! Rebound! Wala! Rebound by Gordon to Vince. Mark Mapili. Oh, nice steal ni Rakina. Simpleng-simple.
Depende sa
Okay,
sapatos.
Vince. Pasakay. And there's a foul.
Depende sa sapatos.
Stop the clock, rep? No. Wala, okay. Side. 12-second shot clock. Castillo. Rebound by Asher. Ay, wala. Sayang. Ito na, Rakina.
Abram!
Rakina. Fake. Step back for three. Whoa! What a move!
Jerome, tingin naman.
Damn, bro, step back. James Harden.
Wala, nagpa-perfect.
Okay, comes Pañeros. Castillo. Nakita si Asher. Wala sabay.
Isa pa.
Rakina, ito naman tumatakbo ang Weasels. Nakita si Vince sa ilalim.
Careful.
Okay, 17 second shot clock. Castillo, drive sa ilalim. Oops. Gordon, nakakuha ng foul.
Ngayon pwede na kahit sino pumasok. Pwede na kahit sino.
I don't know. Hindi nila pinakita yung game rules kasi. Dapat pinakita yung game rules. Sayang. Wala yung ano.
Uy, ano nangyari? Tama yan? Ay, Mi, andiyan ka pala. Asawa ko rin.
Okay, 48-37. Lumaki na ang labang agad ng Weasels. Tingnan natin kung anong discarte ng Pañeros. Sorisa, pass to Raymond Gordon. Nabitawan ng bola. Rakina naghihintay sa ilalim. And there's a foul. 91. Okay, ilan ang foul nun?
That's not good, bro.
Okay, third personal foul ni Vince.
At technical.
Delikado yun.
Kakatapos lang.
Ayun, bonus shot. Jerome, isa pa?
Sakto na dyan yung sapatos mo.
Ah, hindi technical. Akala ko lang technical dahil nasa ano.
Dalawa. Bilhin ako. Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
Ayun, Vince to Gordon.
Sabihin mo.
Nagari sa gitna.
Naglalaro talaga ako.
Wala. Rebound by RJ. Rakina for 3. Rebound by Asher. Ito na ang Pañeros. Asher nagdadala ng bola.
Sabihin mo.
Dire-diretso. Mark Mapili sa side. Easy 2.
Kaso gutom na ako eh.
39-49.
Gutom na raw yung cameraman.
Okay, Brian. Libre sa gitna. Rebound by Pañeros.
Hands, hands.
Defense by Chan. Okay. Here comes Asher. Okay, 2 points by Usher.
Yung yellow.
Rakina, lumalagay sa gitna. Na-steal ng Pañeros. Castillo. Fix, sayang.
All good, get back.
Get back on D.
There's a blocking foul. Beans fourth personal foul.
Sorry.
Okay, 10-second shot clock. Rakina jump, pass to. Pero nabitawan Bin. 5-second shot clock. Chan for 3. 29 seconds left at 80-second shot clock. 41-52. Gordon, back to Bin. Mark Mapili, 5-second shot clock. Nice steal. Rakina, napakabilis.
5.
Okay, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Next 5.
Pili.
Ayaw na pumili.
Ayaw?
Kaya may, pwede. Ito na.
Di pa. Third game.
Ay, ba't ako?
Okay, RJ, labas ka daw. Sinong pumasok? Si Bin. Bin. Chan.
Number 3.
Chan. Sub ka, Chan. Si Bin. Papasok si Bin.
Pagod na eh. Piyasok na eh. Start.
Nawala yung oras.
15-second shot clock. Henry sa ilalim. Nabitawan ng bola. Kicking ball.
Pwede maglalaro talaga ako.
Same ball. Reset 40. Okay. Thanks, Rob. The door. Na-depensa ng bola. Okay.
Pero ayos lang ba sa inyo? Kung pwede.
Okay, bola ng Pañeros. 41-54. Christian. Fake sa 3. Drive sa gitna. Na-rebound ni MJ. There's a foul. Number 4. That's the second team foul.
Third.
Sorry, third team foul. Second shot clock. Patrick, drive sa gitna. Tapos ng konti. Here comes Results and not services. Tawang na sila ng 11, 54-43. Henry to the door. Danley back to the door. Tumira ng 3. Yes! 3 points. Barrientos to Rob. Wala. Medyo alat ngayon. Pañeros. Swerte sa Divon. Sayang.
Gutom na ako.
Sponsor din.
Danley to the door. Patrick. Drive sa gitna. Lumayap. Okay. Diretso. Pass to Christian. Okay, bola.
start sa pagkat-cut part.
Henry, nagdadala ng bola. First Corta, pass to Vin. 10 second shot clock. Stanley, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Rizels. Nakakuha ni Henry for 2. 2 points by Henry. Again, 45-59. Malayo pa yan. Alright, kaya abulin yan sa fourth quarter.
Huwag yung bastos ha.
Okay, here comes Rizels Patrick. Sabin, sa gitna. Turn around. Yes, 2 points.
Oh, Christian kasi mean. Bin, ito.
Okay, foul. 2 points. 2 free throw. Okay, first straw. Good.
Gusto ko lang yan yung conception eh. 8 3 points eh.
Okay, rebound by Rob. Wala pa rin ang Banyeros. Nakakuha ni MJ. Pinasa kay Rob. Sa ilalim. Pass to Apot. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
Nice. Ay!
And there's a foul. Sayang.
Mahina lang.
Kailangan maayos natin yung ano na yun. Seconds na yun. Nagmi-milliseconds. Kaya nagpudod ko. Tinin.
Shit.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na.
Gulat ako, akala ko ako. Gutom na ba ako? Nakapost naman ako. Pag ano, pag ganun.
Okay, that shot is good. 48-61. 1 minute and 8 seconds for this quarter.
13 seconds.
13 seconds shot clock. The door to Henry. This time sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Rob.
50 seconds.
Okay, the door. Okay, back to the door. 13 seconds shot clock. Ganda pinapakita ng Rizels. Patrick for 3. Rebound. And there's a foul. Number 3. Vin ng Rizels.
Penalty?
Penalty rep. Sorry.
Penalty.
Okay, penalty tayo. Last 37 seconds for this quarter.
May DJ ka, may cameraman ka, may proof score ka dito.
Okay, first shot good. Second one good. 50-61. 11 ang inahabol ng Banyeros. 20 second shot clock at 32 sa oras natin. Here comes Patrick to Henry. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Down to 7 seconds. Here comes Patrick. 4, 3, 2.
1.
And Pastor Peter. Napakagad ng play naman doon. But Christian sa kabila. Okay. Alright, that's the end of third quarter. Ito na ang pinakihintay natin, fourth quarter. Makikita natin yon kung sino ang pinakamalakas. Pinakamalakas ang hangin.
63-50. Tandaan mo ha.
Job!
63 dito.
Kare! Uy! Na-restart?
Okay, both teams, meron pa kayong dalawang timeout for this quarter.
2 timeouts pa kaya.
2 timeouts. And then mag-ready na yung next game. Sa mga nagugutom dyan, meron tayong copies, meron tayong daing, meron tayong sisig. At saka laing. Sana naman, meron kami dito sa comedy table.
Hey, time out, time out.
Two timeouts.
Okay, 2 timeouts now. Okay, 13 points. Tingnan natin kung makahabol yan o mamimaintain ng resales. All the way, stop clock tayo ha. Lahat ng
Comeback is real.
tambak, tingnan natin kung makahabol yan. Okay. Okay, still agad ng resales. RJ sa ilalim.
Uy, nasulso.
Tapos yan. Pag-alak mo naman sa rin. Pagpag kanila.
Gordon! Binaba pa. Here comes Rock for putback.
Yung milliseconds, hindi ko makita.
Kunyari.
Fresh 14.
Notice talaga, ano?
Beat to Gordon. All the way. 2 points.
Reset.
Pag hinawakan nyo yan.
Okay, there's a foul. And I think that's the big personal foul against Orisa.
Oo, titingin ka rin kung nahawak.
Galing trabaho siguro.
I mean,
Stop.
Okay, 22-second shot clock. There's a foul.
Tuloy lang yan.
oh, hindi. Stop the clock yan. Oh, 19. Yeah, 19. Pag tumama na rin 14.
Patrick, pasa kay Brian. Fake sa ilalim. 7 seconds shot clock down to 5. Brian, now rebound. Wala.
Diretso.
Gordon, rebound and stop the clock. 3 seconds violation.
I stop the clock to.
Oh.
Bigbigan yan eh.
Maganda yung ganyan.
7 minutes 57 seconds. Pataas ang pasa.
Mas maganda ito. Full quarter.
Tapos nandito naman eh.
Pwede daw pin in. Pwede daw pin in.
Rob, steal by Jerome Rapina. All the way. Yes, 2 points.
Ano daw?
Time out.
Tira. Dito ako sa akin.
Ayun, ma-over.
Pwede daw pin in.
Ano?
Pin in. Sa akin, pin in. Pre, tumatawa pa si Commissioner. Fill in daw. Tumatawa pa si Commissioner. Kulang sila, Kuya Mark. Kuya Mark. Ano? Hindi pa parinig. Kulang music. Susunin doon yung kay Ninax.
Okay. Bola ng Pañeros.
Ay, kilala ko yun eh.
MJ, rebound ball for 2.
Yun yung teammate ko sa FBC, si Menax.
Post mo na ako.
Jerome to RJ. What a pass. MJ to Castillo.
Hey, good hustle.
Asher, sa gitna. Niluwa pa. Rakina. Ay, sayang. Okay, 6 minutes, 36 seconds, 15-second shot clock.
Right, sige, ingat, ingat.
Ryan for 2.
Next sub ka, Mark.
Okay, next up, rep.
Sub.
Sub.
Substitution.
Okay, white ball.
Castillo, pumarma sa tres. Dinira, yes, 3 points. Score natin 59-71, 6 minutes, 4 seconds. Second shot clock. Jerome, wala, rebound na. Still, Rizal's Chan, nagdadala ng bola. And there's a foul by 21. Gordon. Timeout.
Third personal foul.
Rizal's. Okay, that's the second timeout of Rizal's. And that's 71-59. Okay, next game. Get ready. Warm up. Pwede kayong kumain dyan. Sisi, one piece.
Kumain.
Kumain yung mga
Warm up. Warm up.
Ganun na lang.
Ay.
Sana all, nagwawarm na.
Yung isa lang hindi. Sila.
Hindi kasi parang pamunot eh.
Sila.
Right, 14 yan, oh. 14. Shot clock. 14.
Ito ako eh.
Wala next week. Gagamitin yung court.
Event.
Jerome Rakina, 8 seconds, shot clock. Brian, to press. 5, 4, 3. Pagpuyas naman ng mga facilitator ng results and not services. Ito na ang Pañeros, Asher, MJ, naipit. Pumasok pa rin.
Hindi, ganyan talaga.
Bean, turnaround, nabitawan ng bola. Ito na ngayon ang Pañeros. Fake ni Asher for 2. Good.
Next one.
Awesome po na lang lamang. 63-73.
10 points.
Chan, libre sa 3. RJ. Okay. Jerome Rakina. Wow. Oh, good.
Tinagamit.
All right, there's a foul. committed by number 3.
Hold on. Play Mark.
Okay, stop the rep.
Pwede daw fill in. Kulang kami. Fill in, pwede. Si Bor, pwede rin si Bor.
Hindi ba?
Si Bor, pwede rin si Bor. Fill in. Ito, tsaka si Bor. Ay, kami magpipill in. Tsaka si Edwin, Papadilla. Puro fill in.
Okay, rebound by Weasels. Chan, nagdadala ng bola. 4 minutes, 17 seconds. Gamitin na ng oras, sabi ni Stanley. Ikot, Bean. Nakita si Brian. 10 seconds shot clock. Tingnan natin gagawin ni Jerome Rakina. 6, 5. Jump. Wala. Rebound by Rob. Ito na ang Pañeros. Castillo. Pinasa. Sayang, miscommunication between Castillo and Christian.
Ay, di ko pa ikot yun.
Next up tayo, rep. Chan, nakita si Brian sa ilalim. Back to Patrick. And 2 points. Sayang na yung sigaw ko. There's a foul. Okay, stop the rep. Pasok lang. Okay, warning for penalty na ang Weasels. Pañeros.
Tama yan? 24?
Chan. Yan ang papasahan. Ito na si Patrick. Ang ganda sana ng pasa. Okay, to Marientos. Rebound by Rob. Okay, foul. Committed by number 3. Thanks, rep.
Yan, 14.
Gutom na ako. Hindi mo kasi nanay ko, tira na ako ng ano.
Laing, masarap laing eh.
Masarap yung lahat. Dalawa na lang.
Sayang.
Norbert, nakuha ang bola, pasa kay Mark Mabini for 2. Wala. Rebound by MJ. MJ, 2 points. Galing talaga ng mga pasang ni MJ. 10-point lead, 65-75.
Stop.
Down, Weasels.
Pero sino papalitan mo, pre? Sino papalitan mo?
Vin.
Oh my gosh.
Brian. Wala. Ito na ang Pañeros. There's a foul.
Holding.
Wala na kayong timeout, Tani.
Dalawa pa. Isa pa timeout namin.
Timeout na.
Last time out nila yan.
Time out.
Okay, tingnan natin. 10 points. Under 2 minutes, 21 seconds.
Ay, may laki yung kalaban nyo.
Oo, kaya kailangan ka namin.
Wala tayong
Purple, no?
Laro na sa amin. Center,
Kaya mo talunin yan.
Pwede ka pa namin. Pilin ka ba?
Sa talungan. Basta tatalong ka lang.
Hindi, magsushoot yun.
Tatalon siya.
Tatalon lang.
Tatalon siya.
Talon-talon lang.
Pag ano, siya, tsaka na
Kasi
niya idang.
delikado kung magtatalon ka.
Fourth quarter ka na magdang. Huwag mo idang agad.
No, laro ka na. May report pa naman dito.
Oo, ito.
Kung pwede. May sapatos ako.
Bilin.
Game!
Puro ba kayo malalaki? Hindi pala ka malaki. Hindi, fill in lang, fill in. Pwede ka rin, gusto mo pawis? Fill in.
John!
Pwede ka rin ang fill in.
Okay, here comes the ball. Rob for 2. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Ito na nga, Patrick. Walang bola. Okay, agaw ng results. Last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. 13-second shot clock. Jerome jump, 3 points. Rakina, 3 points.
Dagger right there.
Puro turnover na.
Castillo for 2. Rebound by Gordon. Number 6 foul.
Sub.
Sub rep. Sub, okay. Patrick out. Henry for the corner in. Second shot good. 66-78.
Oh, yo.
Out. Okay, penalty ng Pañeros.
Ganda laban. Ito, makita maglaro si Benny.
Wala yung malaki namin. Wala sila palalabas si Menax eh.
Pumasok! Basket!
Oh.
14 yung oras.
Pumasok!
Sub daw.
Extra break!
66-79.
Sub.
Okay, penalty. 2 points. 2 shots.
Ano eh? Bilis naman kumuha ng sapatos nito.
Ay, ito. Kala ko nga
Kumuha ka ng sapatos.
$67-79. Okay, 15-second shot clock. Chan to Cyan. 5 seconds shot clock. Point 1 second na lang. Napal pa.
Oh, 14 na.
Nakaraan, nasisigaw ako.
Sinusugot
Pumasok, pumasok.
Wala.
Sinusugot pa na.
Second shot by Henry, good. 67-80. Castillo, matindi pa rin ang depensa ng Weasels. Tulad niyan, nice steal. Andy Perdicora, rebound by Patrick. Sayang. Gordon for 3.
Oh.
30 seconds shot clock. Gordon back to Asher. Norbert for 2. Wala talaga. Medyo maalas. Next game, Stay Creative versus Electrics. Okay, what first game? Okay, maganda ang first game natin. Successful.
Crazy.
Okay, nice. Thank you, thank you. All right. I hope that you're having fun lahat. Salamat sa inyo.
Ay, feeling yun. Kunin ko na yung sapatos ko.
Yung mga gutom na dyan, may binibenta tayo ng mga pagkain doon sa labas. Baka naman.
Baka naman pwede.
Call sounds. Ako naman kabalik to. Ikaw na. Ako na yun. Ah, sige, sounds sir.